La 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 la. Oh, hi guys! I'm just doing this awesome volcano here. You can see I've done a half. I'm just starting from bottom. And this is what it's supposed to look like. That. It's going to be epic! Plus I've got some little helpers. Here, one. And there's two. And there's three. You might remember these guys from when I did the Battle of Super Things. I don't mean the football video. I mean a different video. It's very cool. This volcano is so good. And if you've went on something and you might have remembered me. This is me. And I went on that video. I was actually, if you saw that video, did you see how excited I was? Because I was a big brother. Well, I am quite a baby, but look, this is very cool. Okay, now I've got to do this, but I haven't quite done this volcano yet. But it's going to be epic. I wonder what it's going to be looking like when I'm finally done. This volcano. It's going to be really big. It's going to be like when the Queen tries on stuff, but the Queen isn't alive anymore. So basically, I would say the King.